If you have a Google account, there are a number of things you can do on YouTube, but it does not automatically give you a YouTube channel. To have a YouTube channel you need to set up one. Here are quick steps on setting up a new YouTube channel. Go to youtube.com and click sign in at the top right corner of the page. Then log in with the Google account you would like your channel to be associated with. At the right corner of the page, click on your profile icon and then click Create a Channel. At this step, you'll have the option to create a personal channel or create a channel using a business or other name. Next you will name your channel. After that, you'll be able to further customize your channel, such as uploading a profile picture, or description of your channel. To learn more about uploading video or picture and description, check out the link below. Subscribe for more.